Hello, everybody. Welcome again to this new session. This is the week number 5 for this second semester. Right now, I am going to share to you the activities, the worksheet that we have prepared for you today in these activities. We have the week number 5. Today, or in this week, we are going to focus our attention into the listening skills. You are going to practice full listening. And obviously, we are going to work on the unit 7. Here we have page 75. You are going to use the student book and the workbook, page 75. And obviously, you have some of the contents that you're going to follow on that. Remember that you are going to use a PDF file to upload the activities into your Edmodo assignment to complete the task. Here you have the full information of the worksheet that you are going to follow and that you are going to use according to. And also, please, here you have enough space to complete about that. In these exercises, as you can see here, you have the links. You have the links with the audios. Here in the full page, you are going to find all the links of the audios that you are going to use, that you can use for working and completing the activity. In this last section, you have the extra practice for the audio, for the listening section, and obviously you have on this. In this last part, you are going to find the last link, and in this case, you are going to have access to some online exercises related to this worksheet that we have on this. That is the idea that you can complete the information. Right now, we are going to work a little about the books, please. Right now, attention everybody. Right now, I need that you go, hurry up. I need that you open your student book, and right now, I need that you go to page 75, okay? Here we have understand key information in a rock back interview. In this one interview, you are going to listen this information. And obviously here you have question number 1. Have you ever seen a band in a concert? Question number 2. Do you watch music on TV or online? Question number 3. Which singers or bands do you like? And question number 4. What instruments can you see in the photo? And question number 5. What other instruments do people play in bands? Those are personal answers that you are going to use and that you are going to complete according to that, okay? You have in the worksheet, you have the necessary space to answer those questions, okay? As follows, we continue with the next part, and here you have the Sun Twins biodata. And obviously you have, in the worksheet, you have the links. And now here you are going to listen. You listen and complete the information.
And today we have 2 very special guests with us. We have the Sun Twins in the studio. I've seen them twice in concert this year, and they are cool. So, hey guys, it's great to have you here today.
It's nice to be here.
Yeah, it's cool.
So, to begin, let's get some basic information about you. Josh, you're British, that's right?
That's right. I'm from Manchester.
And you're 25, Josh?
I'm 24, actually.
That's the same age as me. And Ricky?
Uh-huh.
Where are you from?
I'm from San Francisco in the sunny state of California. Oh, and I'm 25.
Okay, so you're American, Ricky, and Josh is British. So where did you meet?
We met at art college in London. I wanted to be in Europe. It's such an exciting place, you know, and we were both studying art.
And when was that?
That was, 2007?
That's right, 2007.
So what instruments do you play?
I play the guitar. Ricky plays drums.
And who writes the songs?
We both do. I write the rock songs.
And I write the love songs.
The love songs are great.
The rock songs are cool, too.
Okay, you can have the information and you are going to complete that according to this. We are going to check only the first answer so you can have an idea about what exactly to do, okay? For example, we have, for Josh, we have the age, And obviously you have the second answer that is for Ricky. And you continue with the next part of the activity. In this section also we have the second part of the audio. You are going to use the same topic for this. You are going to use the same topic for this. Remember that is the same audio. Sorry, no, it's not the same audio. Sorry. Here you have the second audio, and you are going to listen and you are going to choose the best answer according to this, okay? Attention, listen, and complete.
How long have you played together?
We've played together for about 4 years now.
Have you done any gigs in the US?
Yeah, we've played maybe 15.
16.
And how was that?
Oh, we have a lot of fans in the US, especially in California. We love playing there.
Have you played at any festivals?
Yes, we have. We've even played at the Glastonbury Festival.
How many albums have you made?
We've only made one album, but we have a lot of songs on our website. You can buy them there.
Have you had any bad moments in your career so far?
Yes, we have. It was at the Glastonbury Festival. It was the summer, but it rained the whole time. It was a nightmare.
And what's been the best moment?
I think it was the first time we played together, when we were still at college.
Yeah, we played some songs at Josh's house, in his dad's garage.
Believe it or not, we still practice there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, you write songs together, you play together, but are you good friends?
Sure.
Have you ever argued?
Argued? No.
We've disagreed sometimes, but we've never argued.
Well, thank you guys. Let's hear one of your new songs. This is the Sun Twins and Friday Girl.
You can listen again, and obviously you can repeat this record, or you can access to the worksheet and you have the link and you play it again, okay? So you have to select the best option, and obviously you are going to use it to work in the worksheet that you have before. We continue with the next step, and here we have some observations. We are going to use the expressions in the face-to-face. Believe it or not, actually, or it was a nightmare. Those are the three words of the vocabulary that we are going to use to do that. Believe it or not, actually, or it was a nightmare. En este punto es importantísimo. Esta actividad la tienen que trabajar en la hoja de actividades porque tienen que reescribirla. No solo es de completar en el texto. Ojo, revise la hoja de actividades que le estoy enviando y usted tiene que reescribirla en el espacio que le estoy brindando. That's the reason why I'm speaking in Spanish this situation, so you can follow my instructions. And obviously you are going to listen this. Attention.
1.
And you're 25, Josh?
I'm 24, actually.
2.
Have you had any bad moments in your career so far?
Yes, we have. It was at the Glastonbury Festival. It was the summer, but it rained the whole time. It was a nightmare.
3. We played some songs at Josh's house, in his dad's garage.
Believe it or not, we still practice there.
You have the information and you are going to listen and you are going to complete that. It's really important to pay attention to this part of the activity. It's really important, okay? Those are the expressions that you have in the student book that you are going to find on this, okay? It's really important instructions that you receive according to this, okay? And in this case also we have, it's important to clear some of the expressions about the face-to-face words that we have here. And I want to share with you in this case. Sometimes here, I need that you pay attention to this part of the word here, and obviously about the meanings in this. So it's really important because sometimes for Americans we have, in reality, or in fact, both are synonyms. That means actually, okay? You can say in reality or In fact, that is the meaning of that. That is actually happening now. Okay? The other one that we have is about surprisingly. That is the meaning for this. And what is the expression that we are using? Believe it or not. Surprisingly or believe it or not. Those are synonyms for that. The other is says it went very badly. It went very badly, or it was a nightmare. Here we have the synonyms for that, okay? And those are the expressions that we are using. It's really important that you pay attention to these words because it's obviously considered into those ones in reality. Surprisingly, it went very badly. Those are like common for British people. In fact, believe it or not, it wasn't American, it's more American. But it depends on the way that you are going to use. Both are exactly used for the same purpose to do that, okay? After this, that we have made a comparison with this, we continue with the next step. In this step, you are going to complete. Now it's a personal task. You are going to read this chart, and also in the exercise, I'm giving you the same task so that you complete for that, okay? Those are the parts that we have been working and that you are going to use for the student book. Now we continue with the activities for the workbook. Attention. According to the activities of the workbook, we are going to follow again, and we continue with the unit number 7. As you can see here, you have, okay, you have page 75, and you have the activities that you are going to complete, okay? And you have the information. Right now here you have the activity that you have to complete that. Attention to the audio.
Hello, welcome to Are You a Star? Tell us who you are.
I'm Mario, and this is Melissa. We're bel canto.
Tell us a bit about yourselves.
We're from Bristol and we're both 14.
Actually, I'm 15.
Oh, yeah, I forgot.
Are you nervous, Melissa?
A bit. I've never performed in public before.
It's okay. All the judges are friendly and the audition isn't long. Mario, why did you decide to enter the talent show?
We didn't decide.
What?
A teacher at our school entered our names.
Your music teacher, I suppose.
Believe it or not, it was our maths teacher.
Really? Why?
Melissa and I were singing in a classroom one day when this teacher heard us. She came in and said, "That's the most beautiful song I've ever heard." The next day, she sent our application to Are You a Star? She thinks we can win the competition.
How long have you sung together?
About 8 months, but we've known each other for 3 years.
Where did you meet?
At secondary school. It was our first day and we were getting off the bus. I dropped all my books. It was a nightmare, but Mario helped me.
And then you became friends.
That's right. But we didn't sing together immediately. We weren't into the same music. Melissa was crazy about rock music and I loved musicals and opera.
So what happened?
We went to a musical in London last year and Melissa adored it. Now she sings my type of music.
Have you ever had singing lessons?
Mario has, but I haven't.
But she's brilliant at singing.
Well, I think it's time to hear you. What's your song tonight?
It's a love song from the musical The Phantom of the Opera.
Fantastic. Here we are, bel canto.
Okay, so here you have the information for this part. And also you are going to listen again for the activity of true or false section that you have here, okay? The same audio will help you to complete both. And at the end also you have test your memory. You are going to answer these questions using the same audio also. You are going to read these questions and you are going to answer these questions in full, okay? That is the task that we mentioned that you have before according to this, okay? And we finished this first part. Remember that in this part you have the exercises related to this. Here you have the audios, and also you can use this link, please. You can use this link. I will open, right now, I will open the link in this case, as you can see here. You can open the link, okay, and you can use that. You can use that so you can have an idea about what is the topic, okay, as you can see here. I copy the link here and paste here, and obviously I search it. And here you have the complete band options, the audio. You can do the activity online. You can do the activity online first if you want here. And obviously you are going to have available this information. And obviously you have the transcript of the audio here also for this activity that we have worked to do that, okay? Here you have a full version of the exercise that you can follow on this, okay? And obviously it's gonna be easier for you to work according to, okay? We have the information, right now we have the information related to this, okay? That we have on that. Remember that you have to use the PDF format. Remember that you can use the PDF so you can upload it to the assignments in that model. Remember that Word, it's impossible for me to check only PDFs files, okay? And also remember also that you have the writing activities if you are or you pretend to participate into the contest. It's okay, you have the rules and you can perform the PDF for that on this. Recuerde, quédese en casa, pronto nos veremos, siga trabajando sus actividades semanalmente. Por favor, no acumule tareas. Por favor, utilice formatos PDFs. Todas las semanas les digo exactamente lo mismo y hay estudiantes que me doy cuenta que ni siquiera ven estos videos, ni siquiera los revisan. No entiendo cómo hacen muchas veces las tareas. Por favor, no puedo revisar archivos en Word, solo PDF, porque los reviso en línea, vistas las condiciones de trabajo en las que estamos. Por favor, no acumule tareas, envíelas en las fechas correctas. Ok, babies, bye, see you. Otra cosa, si usted va a participar en el evento de la UNESCO, por favor, vaya trabajando en su escrito, Yo por medio de, yo ya tengo anotados todos los estudiantes que por interno me han enviado por mensajería de modo su deseo de participar. Vaya trabajando su archivo, les he enviado las reglas de UNESCO. Trabaje en su archivo de Word, vaya haciendo los dibujos, revise, que obviamente yo los voy a reunir próximamente y voy a dar instrucciones para su participación. Un gusto haberlos atendido. And remember, stay safe, stay at home. Bye.